Okay, let's go.
All right, 2007 Hummer H2. Passenger front window regulator and motor assembly. That's it. Note on there that there's a crack in the trim panel here. That's cool. I like that that comes out. That's why it wouldn't come out. That plastic piece was missing right there. You get the regulator out of the truck for me, please? You can see they were in there putting stuff in the door. Open it up. Ow. All right, go over here. Grab both sides of the window and kind of lift up. You good?
Yep.
It's a broke. Complete assembly. Good?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Because I take joy in watching you struggle.
Thanks.
Welcome.
My arms are like Jello.
Huh?
My arms are like Jello.
Okay. Let go. Let go. Okay. Just leave that. I need you to go around and turn the key on here in just a second.
Okay.
Key on. Put this window up. Go ahead. All right. Shut the key off. That's it. You can do that now. All right. That's it. Put it back together.
Want this in the back of the truck?
Yeah. Hummers, man. This is, in my eyes, the crappiest version of anything Chevrolet has made. This thing is plastic everywhere. And it's just cheap. I blame this on you guys. Y'all didn't remind me. Yeah, that. Okay, now we can put it back together. Okay. Now back to being done. All right, that's it. We're done on this job. We're heading on to another one. We'll see you guys later.
Hey, Ben.
Hey.
Do you do air conditioner on the Hummer?
Yeah, that's what these are for.
No, but it needs it doesn't have a problem with the AC. It's just the flappers are not closing and one side cools and the other one is hot.
Yeah.
You do that? Okay, you want me to make another appointment for it? You want to
You're
work?
gonna need to. Yeah.
Okay.
Which side's doing what?
You know it has a split AC.
Yeah. So which side's doing?
The one on the left.
So the driver's
The
side
driver's side?
blows hot and won't go to cold.
No.
So first thing we start with there is an actuator. That's what's in the dash. There's an actuator in the dash.
Okay.
And it's not moving. But the problem is it could be the control head. So we will bring an actuator with us.
Okay.
We'll write you an estimate for that.
Okay.
But we will confirm that it needs that before we put it in.
Yeah.
To make sure that the actuator is getting the command control when we push the buttons. And if it is, then we just swap the actuator. The doors in those cars don't break. It's the actuators that go bad. And they go bad all the time.
I had that problem with it about a couple of years ago. And when I was about to take it to the shop, it started opening and closing again.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you do it. You want me to call you to make an appointment or?
No, we'll set you up now.
Okay.
We'll call you Friday to set it up.
Okay.
We'll put your note down right now.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you for coming out here.
Yeah.
Thank
We're going to
you.
send you a receipt right now.
Okay. Sorry about the door, man. I had a lining fall close to the door. And
it broke.
last year I spent $1,500 on it. And this year it closes, and then when it closes, it opens like 2 feet up. So I got that guy coming on Wednesday.
Yeah, because otherwise the cows leave.
Yeah. No, my dogs. The cows can't get out, but the babies might go through the fence.
That's what I mean, the little ones.
Yeah.
All right, you
I'll
sent a
send
receipt?
Girl set?
The receipt's in your email.
Okay, so Friday you come?
Yep.
Yeah.
Friday we'll call you.
Okay.
But tonight we'll make an estimate for you
All right.
and send it over.
Okay.
Because there's one actuator on top of the case and there's one at the bottom. One is for driver's side, one's for passenger side. So
one's about cows, man. I don't know.
one's really hard to get to.
Yeah.
One's very easy to get
Okay.
to. So we'll write an estimate for it tonight and we'll send it over. If you're good with that, then we'll schedule it for next week.
All right.
All right?
Yeah, that blue truck. I remember you went to the tag agency. You put some of this.
Still work or no?
I traded it in.
Oh, you did?
About a month
you got a
ago.
new one?
Yeah, about a month ago. I got good money for it, so I go.
See you later.
Yeah, see you later, alligator.
All right, I'll see you later.
Thank you,
We'll
boy.
close the gate behind
All
us.
right, can you get out there?
Yeah, we'll back over there.
All right.